This video is going to demonstrate the activation process of an alumni e-card. First, install HKBU Mobile on your phone. Then, press the card icon from the bottom bar. Press the Add icon and then select Alumni e-card. Input the alumni ID and complete the declaration by ticking the box, then press Next. Choose a verification method to receive the one-time password. Then press Next button. Input your preferred email address or country or area code and mobile number. Then press Next button. Input the one-time password sent to your email address or mobile phone. Then tick the box to confirm terms and conditions. After that, select the Next button. Your card has been activated successfully. Press Done to get access to your e-card. In order to access to your new alumni e-card, you can press the e-card from the bottom bar. Then use biometrics or your mobile phone passcode to access your HKBU Alumni e-card.